Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I'm making some hanging art for my craft room. I've been cleaning out my craft room and trying to reorganize all of the yarn that's kind of taking over my room. so I have this picture frame that I hung up, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. I was going to put some pictures in it, but I decided to make something out of yarn. So I have pieces of the yarn that I've cut, and the length that you need will depend on how long your frame is. So you want to measure the length of your frame, and then the yarn will be folded in half. So this is approximately 16.5 inches. Okay, so it was like 33 inches long, and I gave myself a couple of inches longer just in case, because I'm going to trim the bottom when I shape it. So, and the number of strands you need will depend on how wide your frame is. Mine is quite narrow, and I'm just kind of winging it, so I'm cutting as I go, and if I need more, I just cut some more. So I have two different colors. I think I'll just stick with two colors to make it simple. So I'm just going to start adding the gray color. So you want to match your tips, okay, and insert from the front to the back, and then put your finger in there and grab it and pull it through. Make sure your strands are long enough so when you're cutting that you have plenty of space. I have about 15 here, 15 here, and I'm just going to start adding the gray in there.